Did you know that Gaziantep Cuisine, the 8th richest cuisine in the world in the field of gastronomy with its taste and diversity, was included in the UNESCO Creative Cities Network in 2015? Şehr-i Ayıntab-ı Cihan, that is the world's apple of the eye. Gaziantep's cuisine as a synthesis of Central Asian, Mesopotamian and Mediterranean civilizations, has a range of approximately 500 different dishes and spices, olive oil, meat and grains. Daş Mutfak opened its door in 2021. We brought the experience gained by serving the culinary culture in Gaziantep for many years, and the world-renowned Antep Cuisine to Bodrum. Daş Mutfak is a gastronomy facility certified by the Ministry of Tourism. In our facility, open 12 months of the year, 7 days a week, the tastes prepared by Gaziantep chefs using materials and spices from the region are served by professional service personnel in copper presentations. Antep breakfast service in the morning continues throughout the day. Hot and cold appetizers, kebab varieties, tray and oven dishes, special presentations, alcoholic and non-alcoholic beverages, freshly baked pita and breads in our stone oven, as well as the products and spices we use in our kitchen, are offered to taste lovers in packaged form. Daş Mutfak hosts its guests in both indoor and outdoor areas, and we also deliver all of our products to your home all over Bodrum in eco-friendly recyclable packages.